Webador, who is a newcomer to the website building space, but they have made a name for themselves quickly by creating the most beginner-friendly website builder out there. It's designed to make the process of creating a website as simple and accessible as possible. With a straightforward, user-friendly interface and a range of pre-designed templates, anyone can have a website made in just a matter of minutes. It has drag and drop widgets, site-wide customization tools, a very responsive UI, and more to streamline the experience. Webador also offers an array of useful features like built-in photo editors and social media integrations. Its e-commerce features, though not as robust as some other competitors, are more than adequate for small to medium-sized businesses. Webador offers both free and premium plans. The premium plans provide added value with their increased storage, a custom domain, and an ad-free experience, making Webador a strong contender for those seeking simplicity without sacrificing functionality. Be sure to check out the links in the description box below so that you can get some of the exclusive discounts on your purchase. Be sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more high-quality content in the future. Thank you for your time, and we will see you in the next video.